To start replacing the ignition coils, I'm only going to show you one of them because they're all the same. But either way, you want to start by disconnecting it. This one is a little bit stuck, so I'm going to help it along with a pick. Next, with the 10mm socket, remove the mounting bolt that holds it down. And pull out the ignition coil. Grab your new ignition coil and you'll see that it has a tiny bit of dielectric grease that's already in there. If you would like to add more, add some silicone paste or dielectric grease. This will help it not only seal up against the spark plug, but it'll help it not get stuck on the spark plug for future replacements. So drop it down in. Start in your bolt. And if you wish to torque it, you can. Torque it to 66 inch-pounds, not foot-pounds. And last but not least, don't forget to plug it in, make sure it clicks. And now you can do the same to all the rest. It's recommended that you do all 8 at once, that way everything is even.